In this video, we'll show you how to manage users and staff in your DesignerLogic account. Go up to the admin menu in the upper right and click on Users and Staff. Here you'll see a list of all the staff people in your account, and the two most important settings are whether they are a subscriber and an admin user. If they are not a subscriber, they cannot log into DesignerLogic. To add a new user, click on the New User button. Just fill in the name, email address, set a password, and then check a couple settings here as you want. Click Submit, and that will create them as a user in your DesignerLogic account. To edit this list, click on the pencil icon, or if you want a more detailed view, click the Detail button, and you'll see this user and all their settings in a very clear and easy to understand form. A couple other things are users can have their own default rates for time billing and expense billing. Just click on that link and you'll see what that is. You can click on another staff person's link and you can see that they might have different rates. We have another video that shows how to use this in detail. And lastly, keep in mind that when somebody leaves your company, it's best not to delete that user, but just to mark them as inactive. So you can click on the pencil icon and just uncheck them as a subscriber and then make them inactive. And that way they cannot log into your account, but you will keep a record of all the work that they've done.